Guys, so today is a very special day. You want to know why? We're at Hollywood Studios.
So freaking excited.
So they're having cast previews for Mickey's Runaway Railway. So we're able to go do that, and then we're allowed to stay in the parks after, but not allowed to use any fast passes, which is okay. We just want to go and take pictures.
Yeah, it's fine.
And ride a couple things.
No, I'm gonna wait in line for my faves. Tower of Terror, Rock and Roller Coaster.
And I maybe will ride Rock and Roller Coaster.
I'm making her.
Maybe. I won't do Tower of Terror. That's like my biggest fear in a nutshell, so can't do that. But Rock and Roller Coaster, I think I could maybe do.
I think.
Well, we'll see. But all I know is I want to see the Beauty and the Beast show. That's my favorite, so gonna have to do that. Can we all just take a moment, please? She's gonna cry. Oh my god. We're here and I'm so excited. This is our first time in studios as cast members because technically we're blocked out right now. But because of this preview, we can come in for the day and we're so excited. Like, ah! So we just did Mickey's Runaway Railway and it was so cool. It wasn't what I was expecting at all,
No, totally
but
different.
it was really cool.
Really cool new ride. Check it out.
Definitely something that people need to go on when it opens officially.
Yeah.
It was awesome. Now she's trying to make me do the Rock and Roller Coaster, and I don't know if I can do it. And I don't know if I can do it. We'll see. We're gonna walk up to it.
I think you'll be fine. At least go through like the line because
And then check it out and have to leave.
Because there's a cool pre-show.
I don't know, we'll see. Okay, you probably can't hear me, but that's okay. But Kira has convinced me to ride Rock and Roller Coaster. I'm probably gonna cry. I'm not gonna lie. But
She's fine. She's overthinking it. But I'm proud. You're gonna have fun.
we'll see. Okay guys, I did it. I rode the Rock and Roller Coaster. Did I scream? Yes. I sat next to a guy, it was his birthday, and I said, I'm gonna scream really loud. And he was like, okay. I was like, I've never ridden this before. Screamed, cried, but I'm glad I did it, and I would ride it again.
I'm proud.
Yay! We're toy size, ladies and gentlemen. So we just watched the Beauty and the Beast show, and it's my favorite show because dreams, you know. We're headed to Galaxy's Edge to go check out Star Wars Land. I'm so excited. So we're about to walk into Galaxy's Edge for the first time. And I'm really excited. I have no idea what to expect because I've never, obviously I've seen pictures, but I don't know anything else. So keep you updated. Chewbacca just is casually like up there. Crazy.
We're looking for resistance sympathizers. Do you have clearance for this sector? I almost believe you, but this one is acting suspicious.
Oh.
Let's see some ID.
Oh, we got it.
Oh, we got it.
Show me your identification.
She's ready.
Yeah, you can open it.
Possible match. Level 2 scan requested. We'll be watching you, civilian. Heard a lot about that ship, the Millennium Falcon. If the stories are true, glad I don't have to guard it.
Can we just take a minute and talk about the stormtroopers? I got a little red. A little flustered. We just did Rock and Roller Coaster Part 2, and it was really good. But part closed, and it's time to leave Hollywood Studios. Maybe they'll lift our block from our pass soon, because it was fun, and I hope we can come back. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. The cast preview was absolutely so much fun. I'm so glad that we all got the opportunity to go preview the ride. And then we finally got to go to Hollywood Studios for one day. Like, that was a blessing. And I rode Rock and Roller Coaster for the first time, which I am so proud of myself because I literally never thought I would ever do that. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Disney related videos.